Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Risha Azkia Putri, and now I gonna review the website same of the last video that I review some simple website, and now I also want to review the Quran website that I always use it. Okay, the website that I gonna to review is qurantampang.com. So I always use this Quran website to read or memorize the Quran if I on campus or outside, especially when I don't bring my Quran. That is why I want to review this website um, because I really need this website. Um, Before that, I gonna give some information for you that I um I don't find the Quran website that the display of the Quran is page to page. So Alhamdulillah I found this qurantampang.com. So uh, the website is uh, the display of the Quran in this website is page to page, because that I really need this website. Okay, let's start to review. Okay, first, at the top of the website there is a nav bar or navigation bar. Alright, maybe I gonna give you first information that the default language of this website is Indonesian language. So all the text and the buttons are Indonesian language. Okay, on the left button of the navigation bar is it lets us to the digital Quran by pages. So if I press this button, it leads us to the digital Quran uh, page by page. Okay, on the right button, tampang.com is direct us to the main website of tampang.com. So if I press this button, you can see it directs us to the main website of tampang.com, which contain news such as movies, Indonesian news, advertisement, and other information. So I think let's go back to the first page that I need to review for you. So before that, I gonna explain the what is the qurantampang.com. So qurantampang.com is the is a website that displays the Quran page by page. This is what makes it special and different from many other Quran websites or application. I personally use this website very often because it really helps me in memorizing and reading the Quran. When I use my Quran or my physical Quran, I always rely on pages and the verses inside it. Because of that, I find it hard to read or memorize the Quran if it is not displayed per page. Qurantampang.com makes it easier for me. All right, let's back to review. On the main page, there is an opening paragraph that explains that reading the Quran is very important for Muslims. Very important for Muslims. It strengthens our relationship with the Quran and gives positive impact on our daily life, mentally and spiritually. Okay, the website shows the Quran exactly like a physical Quran. For example, one page shows Surah Al-Fatihah from first ayat to seventh ayat in one full page. All right. Um, below the image, below the image, there is an Indonesian translation. However, I don't really like the translation display. It is too long and takes too much space in this website. In my opinion, it would be better if the Quran page were in text form, still page by page, like that, and the translation appeared only when we click uh, ayat. For example, if I need the translation of first ayat, so I um, I only click this ayat and they can leave the translation of Indonesian language from the uh, ayat that I pressed before. This way, the page would look simple and more efficient. On and maybe next, one feature I really like is the next page and previous page. Okay, let's press first. So we can move to second page and the display is same with the first page. And this feature I really like because we can go to the next page and previous page. Next page and previous page. We can easily move to there. But there is one big weakness if we want to read a specific juz or surah. For example, if I want to read the um, 8 juz of the Quran, we cannot go to uh we cannot go there. We must know the exact page number. Many people don't know which page they need. I usually search on Google first, then enter the page number. This is very um what? This is very hard, I think. And but in my opinion, the website should provide an option to choose juz or surah directly. This would make the website much more user friendly, beginner friendly, especially for people do uh who don't know the page numbers of the Quran. Okay, maybe overall, this website um, make me easily to reading the Quran and memorizing Quran page by page. And thank you for QuranTampang.com. So next, I gonna make a tutorial video. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.